Alright guys, grass monkey's about to come. We're trying to go for Ember.
Yeah, I know.
When grass monkey comes, it's like grass monkey is very funky. Because like he's just grass monkey, bro. Grass monkey.
Monkey.
Joanna, you think he died? I guess. Hop. None of my Pokemon have ever died from Hop. Because he's just like Hop. He's dog water. No way he's.
I'm just gonna keep on moving. Wait. Yeah. Yes.
Ooh, double kick is really good. Swap it for growl.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm doing.
Oh my god, the legend.
Grass monkey.
Grass monkey. He's very funky. Wait, where is he? Grass monkey. Grass.